Safe2Dose delivers easy, accurate performance in all phases of your customer's buying experience. Safe2Dose dispensers are easy to install and maintain. This installation video can be used for the Safe2Dose 4x4 and 3x1 dispenser platforms. Remove all components from the dispenser box. Make sure you have all of your components listed in the manual prior to starting the installation. Make sure you have all the required tools for the installation: safety glasses, drill, wall anchors if needed, screwdriver or drill bit. Identify where you'll be installing the dispenser and the cabinets, and make sure you're aware of any plumbing or electrical wires to prevent any damage. We will begin the installation with the standard installation of the brackets for the dispenser and the cabinet on each side. Everything happens within the enclosed dispenser. Pick up the dispenser and push the release button on top of the dispenser to remove the faceplate and gain access to the inside of the dispenser. From the inside of the dispenser, move the latches to the down position. This action will release the mounting brackets located on the back of the dispensers. Install the dispenser and cabinets by aligning the circles on the bracket to the circle. You will then push the black latch buttons up. This action will lock the unit into place. If you're doing a standard installation, the vertical brackets are not needed on the cabinets. Install the bracket on the wall using a level. Install anchor screws at the bottom of the dispenser and the cabinets. This will prevent the dispenser from lifting up. Now that we have installed the equipment, we will now run the tubes and install the metering tips. Attach the bottle and bucket discharge hoses. The bucket discharge hose can be hung from the side of the cabinet. Review the Safe2Dose wall mount metering tip chart to select the appropriate metering tip. Once the metering tip has been selected, push the metering tip into place. Metering tips may also be placed at the dispenser caps if Y connectors are not being used. For your standard installation of running product directly to the inductor, check valves are not required. Run the tubing from the inductors to the color-coded caps in the cabinets, and when running the tubes, ensure that you're not crimping any tubes and that the tubing is not in the way of the bottle activation. Attach color-coded caps to the product. Complete the dispenser installation by placing the dispenser and cabinet stickers at the selector dial and where the products are located. Safe2Dose installation is an easy installation that provides your customers with easy, accurate protection. Safe2Dose provides the flexibility and cost-effectiveness that your customers are looking for with the convenience of an easy installation. If you have additional questions or experience any issues during your installation, please contact the ZEP Equipment Department at 1-800-313-8439. If you want to use one product with two dilutions, you may use a Y connector and check valves. Metering tips are required at each of the Y connectors. Two check valves at each Y are also required to prevent any backflow contamination. Please note that check valves are required for this type of installation. How do I select the correct metering tips for the Safe2Dose dispenser? You can select the correct metering tip by reviewing the Safe2Dose metering tip chart. The chart will detail what color tips should be used by product and dilution. The most updated chart can also be found on the ZEP intranet site in the New Product Launch section. What if my bottle activator lever is not working? You will need to remove the dispenser faceplate. Ensure that the bottle activation lever is placed above the lever on the inductor. You should also ensure that the tubes are not in the way of the bottle activator. What if my product is not pulling once I've installed it? Try switching the color-coded caps. There may be a defect in the cap. You should send any defective caps to the ZEP Equipment Group. Who do I call for installation questions or to report problems? For any installation questions or to report any problems that you're having, contact ZEP Equipment at 1-800-313-8439. Safe2Dose, another superior solution from ZEP.